Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live 0078. Hashtag comedy or commodity, depends how you pronounce it. Anyways, sorry for some previous episodes. I got the 00 numbers mixed up, but this is 0078. I'm pretty sure, I think. I got to make sure. Anyways. I see Carlos is in the chat early today. Thank you for showing up so early. And looks like he was trying to share a video with me. I haven't had a chance to see it yet. But looks like he was trying to tell me that Venezuela government is setting a parallel financial market using Bitcoin and other cryptos to bypass the US blockade. That's interesting. I'm going to check out that video as soon as possible and see that. I see Brian's in the chat as well. Yes. Well, let me go over the notes section first. And there's nothing wrong with taking a nice hot warm shower, Brian. Everyone needs that. So in the notes section, let's go over something. A Bitcoin Gold FAQ, frequently asked question, Coinbase support. We'll go over that real quick. Also, the Ledger Twitter about Bitcoin Gold. It wasn't really about Bitcoin Gold. It was really about the SegWit 2x hard fork, but Bitcoin Gold seemed to just be appearing up in all these different places, and it's literally a comedy gold, literally. And then speaking of comedy gold, in the notes section, I have a YouTube video of comedy gold. If you like chowder, then you'll love comedy gold with Bitcoin Gold. And of course, I got the new time locked address as well in the notes section. Also in the notes section is the meme that you're seeing right now, which is this right here. And that is hashtag yes2x number 46. We're getting closer and closer to the hard fork. And I think we're a couple days. Let me see, what is today? Today is the 21st. So we're about four more days for the Bitcoin Gold airdrop. I can't call it a fork because there's no information about it. Anyways, also in the note section is pot of gold. Man, there's just a lot of gold going on around here. The pot of gold, there's the picture of that, the meme, I guess, or whatever with all the QR codes. But if that's too much for you, I do have the address to the pot of gold if you wanted to make a donation to make it all fun for everyone to try to compete in cracking the code. And of course, I do have Hiroja Shibe Space Odyssey Network, her link to her channel. It's always fun to watch her. Anyways, oh, I see Boss Lady in the chat room and Dual Overhead Camness. Good to see you all there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it to 10 minutes or longer. Depends how long I go on this here. But let me read the meme here. Comedy gold. Hashtag yes2x. My goodness. The craziness that's going on around here is just comedic. You know, Bitcoin Gold being an interference between hashtag yes2x and the SegWit hard fork, and also the Ethereum hard fork. It's really getting crazy around here with all the hard forking. I remember when everyone used to say, go fork yourself. I didn't realize that that would come to fruition in the future where everyone would literally go fork yourself. Literally. So enjoy the meme. Have a laugh. Enjoy the comedy gold. Anyways, let's go on to the next section here. Let's see if it loads. Oh yes, the Bitcoin pot of gold. Man, there's just so many gold going around. Don't forget the gold itself. Don't forget to buy some gold. So anyways, go ahead and donate to the pot of gold. I Don't know if it's up to $10. I think it's up to $10 because the price has gone up. Just the sheer fact the price has gone up. I think I've had one person donate. I've donated. Hopefully, we can get some more donations in there, and we can get some interest in here. Anyways, Yellow Fever's idea. Also, I made a video today of PIVX. I finally got some staking rewards. I was amazed. I actually never thought I would get any PIVX whatsoever. And so if you had a chance to check out that video, go ahead. I was fortunate enough that Yellow Fever sent me 10 PIVX to make a video about PIVX. And I decided to go ahead and make a staking video. And it was about 2 months. And so I got like I got a 0.44 PIVX. So my PIVX stash is growing, and maybe in about 20 years, because I don't know what to do with PIVX, I'll have 1 million PIVX. And by then, maybe it'll still be $3. But unfortunately, Bitcoin price will be like up to $1 million. So I can't really say I got more Bitcoin out of it. Hiroja's in the chat room. How you doing, Hiroja? Good to see you. And so here you go, Bitcoin pot of gold. So let's go on to the next subject at hand here. Okay, so if you haven't heard already, which I did hear because I watch a lot of YouTubers out there, and of course the YouTuber who broke the story of Bitcoin Gold, Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister, talked about the Coinbase support. Bitcoin Gold frequently asked question. This was dated October 20th, 2017. But let's go over it real quick here. And this is truly comedy gold at its finest. What is Bitcoin Gold? What is Bitcoin Gold? Well, that's a good question because I didn't even know what it was until like literally about a month ago. Bitcoin Gold is a proposed fork to the Bitcoin network to create a new blockchain. The new blockchain will be incompatible with the existing version of Bitcoin. To learn more about forks, check out our blog posts. I even have a blog post out here. So when will this fork occur? All right, this is the comedy gold part, all right? When will this fork occur? Frequently asked question at Coinbase support. The fork already privately occurred at a point known only by the Bitcoin Gold development team. The Bitcoin Gold blockchain will be made publicly available when the Bitcoin blockchain reaches block number 491,407, which is currently estimated to occur on October 25th, 2017. So this is coming straight from Coinbase. Now, it looks like Coinbase isn't really interested in supporting Bitcoin Gold, but they left themselves a little opening just in case this, just that, 1 in a million chance Bitcoin Gold really takes off and, becomes really big to the point where they may have to support it. But really what they're really interested in supporting is SegWit 2x and Bitcoin Cash as soon as they're able to give that up or have that available to their users, Coinbase users. And what action do you need to take for Bitcoin Gold? Well, apparently no action is required. Your Bitcoins are safe with Coinbase, so don't worry about it. So anyways, will there be any disruptions? Will this affect the Bitcoin network? Absolutely not. Bitcoin Gold will not do anything whatsoever. So the link's in the notes section. Go ahead and have a read at that. And then coincidentally, let me go on to the next one here. And it looks like Brian's made an offer to to donate. Thank you, Brian. And dual overhead cabinets actually will match your donation. Well, thank you guys. And most likely, I bet you Brian already knows, already cracked the code. That's probably why he's donating it and trying to get other people to match into it. That's a good one, Brian. Anyways, let's go on to the next part here. This is the Twitter, and I got this in the notes section as well. I saw this, because I'm always interested in the real hard fork, the real challenge coming to Bitcoin. And this is Ledger's Twitter. Will offer support to transact on the current and SegWit 2x chains with a dedicated website to split, as there won't be replay protection. So I was reading this. I thought this was interesting, but this is not where the comedy gold comes in. The comedy gold comes in at this part right here. Oh, hello, Sunspun Production. Nice to see you in the chat. The comedy gold comes in right here, and I'll try to highlight it there. We need to do something to get Bitcoin and Bitcoin gold split. All right, this is this is the comedy gold. All right, this is the comedy gold. Here's the reply from Ledger. Nothing to do. The fork has already been done. At an unknown time in the past, we do not have any further information at the moment. That's the comedy gold. So now you've seen about two sources. You've seen about two sources. Basically, I mean, these are pretty reputable sources. Like if you think about Coinbase and you think about Ledger, and they're just straight out just saying, hey, the fork's already been done with Bitcoin Gold. And what else do you need to know? And they don't look like they're really eager to support it. Although there's other exchanges. I think I made a video on that. Go check it out. But it's just getting hilarious here. Absolutely hilarious. So let's go back. All right, we're back to comedy gold. I went a little bit past my 10-minute period, but it's definitely fun to watch this space and just to watch all this nonsense going on. Bitcoin gold, if I do get it, that's great. I may do a video on how to split it. I have it in my Coinami. I think Coinami is going to support Bitcoin gold. We'll see how that goes. Other than that, I don't know any other way to actually split my Bitcoin gold. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. So we'll see how that goes. There's very few wallets that may or may not support Bitcoin gold. But it makes me just laugh, just watching Adam Meister make a show today trying to play off the fork of Bitcoin gold that's already happened because of the pre-mine, and he won't acknowledge that that's an issue. So anyways, I think this concludes this episode. So feel free to like, dislike, leave a comment, or even or leave a comment after the live stream, or even do a video response. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye now.